Hey guys, Krista here. I took over our March Mini Pretty Club and filled it with some of my favorite products and stunning shades for spring. Keep watching for a super simple spring-inspired makeup tutorial. Starting off, I am priming my face with our Rose Auto Beauty Sleep. I love this particular Beauty Sleep before makeup because it is so lightweight. You need just 1 to 2 pumps. Next up is one of our add-on products for our Mini Pretty Club this month, our Prime and Conceal. I am obsessed with Prime and Conceal because of the amazing coverage, but also the hydration and skin boosting benefits it provides. I'm using the shade Fair primarily under my eyes to brighten, but also all over to neutralize redness. To complete my foundation, I am of course using our Pearl Powder Mineral Foundation in the shade W2, applied with our number 70 airbrush for a bit fuller coverage. To prime my eyes, I'm using our Hello Pretty Under Eye Brightener so that my eyeshadows are super vibrant and last extra long. You need just a teeny tiny bit, and I recommend warming up the product between your fingers, then applying. Joan Pressed Eyeshadow is our first shade in this spring look. I absolutely adore this deep dusty rose shade. We are going to start by applying it in the crease and blending it super well. To soften the edges a bit more, I remove the color from my brush with our color switch and blend a bit more. I'm using our number 14 Fluffy Flat Eyeshadow brush for this. The next shade is our Amanda Pressed Eyeshadow. This peachy brown tone adds a fun pop of color without being too intense. I'm using our number 18 Angled Eyeshadow brush, applying this primarily all over my lid. Candy Illuminator is up next, but first switching the color off my number 18 brush to use it again. This soft shimmery pink is the perfect shade to brighten up the inner corner of your eye and highlight your brow bone. I love how this shade brings the whole eye look together. Brows are next. Our brow pomade was another add-on product for you guys. I'm wearing the shade Ash Brown here. Brows totally complete your look and frame your face and are so easy to do. First, load up your brush. I'm using our number 8 Angled Brow and Liner brush. Start in the middle of your brow doing short, even strokes, then finish with the intersection using natural upward strokes. The star of our March Mini Pretty Club is a full-size 100% lash mascara. This is our number 1 selling product, and for good reason. I mean, just watch as it intensifies my lashes but still looks soft and natural. The best part are the nourishing ingredients that work to deeply condition and strengthen your lashes so they can grow super long. Wrapping up with a brand new unreleased product is our Cream Blush and Lip Pretty Paint in the shade Aleena. This is such a stunning, vibrant coral shade. When applying as a blush, you want to get the product lengthwise on your finger and then shear out the product between your fingers a bit before tapping it onto your cheeks. Tap Aleena onto your lips for a fun pop of color. To complete your look, we are going to take our Candy Illuminator again and apply it to our cheekbones for a sweet glow. Hope you love this simple look. Thanks so much for watching.